Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to change font size terminal in VS Code. It's very simple tips and tricks. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So I just simply open here my Visual Studio Code, and this is my Visual Studio Code. If I click here terminal, new terminal, and look at this here, my terminal font size, it's really small. So now how to increase the font size? It's very simple. Just simply click here code, setting, again setting, and we need to search here terminal font size, and boom, look at this here, my current terminal font size is 12 only. So if I go here like a 20 and enter, so look at this, the font size automatically increase. If you say like 29, the automatic font size is an increase, but we can see as a 2022 this font size is okay, otherwise 20 is also sufficient. Okay, and then close this one, and then next time this setting is permanently of your terminals. This is a simple tips and tricks to increase the font size, decrease the font size in specific terminal. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.